our endurance strength here. 20-second hold and then complete release. We'll do 3 sets, remembering you can space these out across your day if you prefer. Lying down on your back or on your side, however you feel comfortable. Let's just start with a deep breath in. Let it go. Okay, let's lift and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let it go. You might have felt that you didn't get much release as you let go after 20 seconds, and that is because your pelvic floor has already started to let go. So that's just something to be mindful of as we go through the next 2 circuits, is if you feel like it's letting go a little bit whilst we're still going, try to reactivate, try to reconnect. Let's do a second set. So let's lift and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let it go. So often we find that we clench everything else. So notice your jaw, notice your shoulders. Try not to clench through your buttock cheeks as we just try to focus on the pelvic floor. We've got 1 more set, 20 seconds. Let's go. Lift and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let it go. Well done.